This is the 1999 Subaru Forester. It is 4x4. It has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. The Subaru comes with 31,149 original miles. It is 4-wheel drive. It does have 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right. I did want to show you all the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. It is 50,130 kilometers. The miles on it again is 31,149. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the frame. I do want to tell you guys that we really do appreciate y'all. Thank you for the continual support. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.